Let's start MCQ questions for class 10, English First Flight, Chapter 5, The 100 Dresses, Part 1 with answers. Hello everyone, Neelam this side from Poonam Academy. Now, let's get started. Why does Vanda say that she has 100 dresses? Option A, because she has. Option B, to counter other girls. Option C, she loves to rent. And option D, none. So answer is option B, to counter other girls. Right? Now, पता था ना आपको वैंडा क्या मतलब क्यों ऐसा बोलती थी? To counter other girls. Right? Now, let's start. Why does Maddie stand by and not do anything? क्यों नहीं करती थी भाई? मैडी खड़े खड़े देखती रहती थी और वो क्यों नहीं वेंडा की हेल्प कर पाती थी या क्यों वो उसको वो नहीं कर पाती थी, स्टैंड बाय नहीं ले पाती थी? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, बिकॉज शी वॉज हरसेल्फ विक्टिम. ऑप्शन बी, बिकॉज शी डजंट हैव करेज. ऑप्शन सी, बिकॉज शी डजंट वांट टू. ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ दीज. So here the correct option is answer B, right? Because she doesn't have what? She doesn't have courage. उसके अंदर courage नहीं था कि वो हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वो वैंडा को क्या कर पाए, बचा पाए, right? Who secretly disliked how Vanda was being treated, right? कौन डिसलाइक करता था वैंडा के साथ में जो ट्रीटमेंट होता था, ये कौन डिसलाइक करता था? ऑप्शन ए पैगी, ऑप्शन सी option B, Cecile, option C, Maddie, and option D, Jay. So correct option is option C, obviously Maddie. Now, who lived in Boggins Heights? कौन रहता था Boggins Heights में? Option A, Maddie. Option B, Peggy. Option C, Wanda. Option D, Cecile. So correct option is option C, Wanda. Right? Now, what was Vanda's full name? What was Vanda's full name? Option B is the correct answer, Vanda Petronsky, right? So Vanda's full name is Vanda Petronsky, right? So option B is correct. Now, question number 7. How many drawings did Vanda draw? कितनी drawings बनाई थी उसने? आंसर इज 100. ठीक है, आपको टाइटल से ही पता लग रहा है द 100 ड्रेसेस, राइट? सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 100, राइट? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. व्हाट वाज Maddie's full name? What was Maddie's full name? So answer is option B, right? Option B, right? Now, why did Peggy say, and I thought I could draw? Yes? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Here are all the options. So answer is option D, all of the above. Right? Now, who did Maddie think would win the contest? Option A, Vanda. B, Maddie. C, Peggy. And D, none of the above. So, guess the answer. What is the answer of this question? So, answer is option C, Peggy. Now, question number 11. What did the drawing and coloring contest mean for the girls and boys? Option A, designing dresses and motorboats. Option B, designing interiors and bikes. Option C, designing dresses and bikes. And option D, designing interiors and motorbikes. What is the answer? So answer is option A, designing dresses and motorboats. What reason did Maddie give herself to justify teasing Wanda. Option A, Wanda used to lie about her dresses. Option B, Wanda deserved it. Option C, Peggy was the best liked girl and couldn't do anything wrong. And option D, both 1 and 2. So, correct answer is option C. Peggy was the best liked girl and couldn't do anything wrong. Right? How many shoes did Wanda say she had? कितने shoes थे उसके पास? Option A 50, option B 100, option C 10 and option D 60. कितने pair of shoes थे उसके पास में? तो answer is 60. Right? Option D is the correct answer. Tells you that Peggy wasn't cruel. Option A protected small children from bullies. Option B couldn't stand animals getting mistreated. Option C did not make Wanda cry. And option D, all of the above. Guess the answer. Answer is D, all of the above. Right? I did. They wait for Wanda. Option A, they were friends. Option B, to make fun of her. Option C, they cared about her. Option D, they missed her. Obviously, you know the answer. Our answer is option B, to make fun of her. Now, question number 16. Which classroom did they all sit in? Option A, room 15. Option B, room 13. Option C, room 12. And option D, room 11. So, answer is option B, room 13. Right? Now, where in the classroom does Wanda sit? This is important question. ये आ सकता है आपका बोर्ड. Option A, end corner. Option B, middle. Option C, front. And option D, rotational. So, correct answer is option A, end corner. Right? If you like my content, then please share your comments and do subscribe my channel and do this and share this video with your friends and colleagues. So, उनको भी help मिल पाए. Right? So, thank you for watching and all the best for your first term 1 exam.